Emotional strength is about composure, resilience, and self-awareness. It's the ability to remain calm under pressure, handle challenges with grace, and provide emotional stability in a relationship. These traits create a sense of security and trust, which are far more valuable in a long-term connection than fleeting external allure. If you've been led to believe that getting a woman's attention revolves around being attractive, wealthy, or intellectual, it's time for a reality check. Here's the truth. None of those things matter if you haven't mastered yourself first. The game isn't about what you have on the outside, but about what's going on within. Most men are completely missing this point. 1. The illusion of external attraction. Many men fall into the trap of believing that external qualities, such as having a chiseled jawline or driving a flashy car, are the keys to winning a woman's heart. Sure, these attributes might initially capture her attention, but they rarely hold it for long. Physical appearance and material possessions, while alluring on the surface, are not the foundation of lasting attraction. What women truly crave is emotional strength, a quality that goes far beyond surface-level traits. In today's dating world, focusing solely on appearance or wealth without developing emotional depth is a misguided approach. To truly captivate someone, you need to work on your inner qualities. By mastering emotional strength, you not only set yourself apart from others, but also build a relationship on a foundation that's far more meaningful and lasting than looks or money ever could. 2. Mastering emotional strength. What truly makes a man attractive isn't just his looks, wealth, or status. It's his ability to remain calm, composed, and unshakable regardless of the challenges life throws at him. Emotional strength is one of the most magnetic qualities you can develop. When a man is in control of his emotions, it signals to a woman that he is not only capable of handling life's pressures, but also able to provide stability in a relationship. This sense of calm under pressure is deeply reassuring and creates a safe space for her to open up and trust you. Women are naturally drawn to men who exhibit emotional resilience because it shows maturity, self-awareness, and confidence. It's not about avoiding problems or acting tough. It's about acknowledging difficulties and responding to them with a level-headed approach. Whether it's a stressful work situation or a conflict in the relationship, being able to navigate emotions without losing your cool is incredibly attractive. In today's fast-paced world, where anxiety and stress are common, mastering emotional strength sets you apart. It's a rare and valuable trait that not only enhances your romantic life, but also improves your personal growth and success in all aspects of life. 3. The problem with pickup lines and overconfident. Forget everything you've been told about using slick pickup lines or showing off to impress women. Not only do these tactics often fail, but they can also seriously backfire. Why? Because they come across as shallow, scripted, and disingenuous. Women can easily sense when a man is trying too hard to be something he's not, and that immediately signals insecurity. Instead of attracting attention, you're likely pushing her away. Real confidence isn't about delivering the perfect line or flaunting your status. It's about being comfortable and grounded in who you are. No gimmicks necessary. Women are far more attracted to authenticity than any rehearsed one-liner. When a man is genuine, calm, and self-assured, it radiates an irresistible kind of confidence. One that doesn't need validation from external sources like approval from others or flashy displays of wealth. Overconfidence, on the other hand, often masks deeper insecurities. Rather than showing strength, it highlights an individual's need for attention and validation. This kind of behavior feels forced and can be a major turnoff. True self-assurance means you don't need to try so hard. You already know your value, and that quiet confidence is what really draws people in. 4. Why women are walking away. If you've ever felt like women are walking away or losing interest, it's not because you're not good enough. In fact, it often has little to do with looks, money, or charm. The real reason women lose interest is that they're picking up on something deeper. Your lack of self-control. When a man can't manage his emotions, or if he seems overly eager or desperate, it sends a signal that he's not in control of himself. And this can be a major turnoff. Emotional stability is one of the most attractive traits you can develop. When a man is overly reactive, anxious, or too eager to please, it shows that he lacks the composure and self-confidence needed to handle life's ups and downs. Women are instinctively drawn to men who can maintain their calm, even in stressful situations. It's not about being emotionless. It's about being emotionless. It's about being emotionally balanced. When you show that you're grounded and in control, it creates an aura of security and reliability. On the other hand, if you're constantly trying to win her over or seeking her approval, she will quickly lose interest. Women want a partner who can stand on his own, not someone who needs constant reassurance. 5. The power of self-control. One of the most crucial aspects of mastering yourself is developing self-control. This doesn't just mean keeping a cool head in tough situations. It's about not letting your emotions dictate your actions. Whether it's frustration, excitement, or even attraction, having the ability to stay centered, no matter the circumstances, shows true strength. Women are naturally drawn to men who can maintain their composure, especially in the heat of the moment. Self-control is the foundation of emotional discipline. When you're able to resist reacting impulsively, it signals that you're in control of not only your emotions, but also your life. This sense of control is incredibly attractive because it shows stability, reliability, and maturity, qualities that women seek in a partner. On the flip side, a lack of self-control can make you come across as unpredictable or immature, which can quickly diminish any attraction. By mastering self-discipline, you demonstrate that you're confident in who you are and capable of handling challenges with grace. Women can sense this strength, and it becomes a magnet for attraction. It's not about suppressing your emotions, but learning how to channel them in a way that keeps you grounded and in control. 6. The importance of mental clarity. Mental clarity allows you to see situations for what they are without getting caught up in emotions. This helps you make better decisions in both your personal and romantic life. When your mind is clear, you communicate more effectively, leading to deeper and more meaningful connections. 7. Stop seeking approval. One of the biggest mistakes men make is constantly seeking approval from women. This neediness is a huge turnoff. The more you seek validation, the less attractive you become. Instead, focus on approving of yourself. When you no longer need external validation, you exude confidence and independence, which is very appealing. 8. How emotional mastery transforms relationships. When you've mastered your emotions, your relationships transform. You become more reliable, understanding, and able to navigate challenges with ease. Women want a partner who can weather storms without falling apart, and emotional mastery is the foundation of that. Conclusion. The truth is, you don't need to be the richest, best looking, or smartest guy in the room to win a woman's heart. What really matters is your ability to control your emotions and stay grounded. Emotional strength is what will truly set you apart from the rest and make you unforgettable.